Maybe you have this cavitation machine already and it came with these laser lipo pads, and there's a lot of misconception and misinformation on these pads. And the thing is that a lot of people think that these pads are used for fat loss, when in reality you can only use it for skin tightening. These laser pads are what you call low-level light therapy, and if you look at it right now, it should say 5 MW 650 NM. What that means is that 5 MW is the power of the pad itself, so it's not powerful enough to treat anything else than the skin. And then 650 nm stands for nanometers. That means that the red light is penetrating at 650 nanometers, and if you do your research, 650 nanometers will only reach the dermis layer where collagen, elastin, hyaluronic acid is produced, meaning that these pads will only work for skin tightening. If you want to use low-level light therapy for fat loss, each diode or each of these little circles that turns red should be at least 160 MW and should penetrate anywhere between 650 nanometers up to 850 nanometers or more. So if you want to use laser pads for fat loss, you need to make sure that they are powerful enough and have a depth of at least up to 850 nanometers, because that's what's going to penetrate the epidermis, even the muscle, and even the bones. Meaning this red light produces heat within the body. When you touch it, you will not feel any heat, but when it's placed on the skin, as the red light is penetrated into the skin, is actually producing heat. And because it reaches the epidermis layer, or where the adipose tissue is located, it begins melting down fat cells. But not just that, it can also help with swelling, inflammation, and pain.